A sleek modern desktop setup. The protagonist, a young professional with a passion for gaming and content creation, is seen typing on the keyboard with a focused expression on their face. Suddenly, they look up at the camera with excitement. Protagonist, oh, hey there. I was just working on my latest video project. You know, when it comes to demanding tasks like video editing and gaming, having the right processor can make all the difference. That's why I've been using the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. AMD Ryzen 9 5950X desktop processor, a powerhouse. Designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals who demand the best performance from their PC. With 16 cores and 32 threads, this unlocked processor redefines multitasking and boosts your productivity to new heights. Their desktop setup, protagonist, setting up the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X was a breeze. Just pop it into your motherboard, apply some thermal paste, and you're good to go. The best part? It's unlocked, so you can easily overclock it for even more performance. The processor, narrator, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X is not just about raw power. With a boost clock speed of up to 4.9 GHz, your games will run smoother and your renders will finish faster. The integrated AMD Storami technology optimizes storage performance for lightning-fast load times, and the Smart Access Memory feature unlocks the full potential of your GPU for unparalleled gaming experiences. Different scenarios, protagonist, whether I'm streaming my gameplay on Twitch, editing 4K videos, or crunching numbers for work, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X never misses a beat. The multi-threaded performance makes light work of my heaviest workflows, and the power efficiency keeps my electricity bills low. Processors in its class, narrator, when compared to its competitors, the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X stands out for its superior performance and value. Its high clock speeds and low power consumption make it a top choice for gamers and creators alike. Plus, with AMD's commitment to frequent updates and optimizations, you can trust that your investment will last for years to come. Customers, User 1, ever since I upgraded to the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X, my video editing workflow has been a breeze. I can render my projects in a fraction of the time it used to take me. It's a game changer. User 2, as a hardcore gamer, I demand the best performance from my PC. The AMD Ryzen 9 5950X delivers on all fronts, giving me smooth frame rates and minimal lag in all my favorite games. Narrator, ready to turbocharge your PC with the AMD Ryzen 9 5950X? Don't settle for mediocre performance when you can have the best. Upgrade your system today and experience the difference for yourself. Click the link below to get yours now. Amazon link, narrator, AMD Ryzen 9 5950X. Unleash the power within.